Hi guys, Ziggy here, and welcome to Being at Home. I think I actually no, I didn't. Well, the lighting is really low, so my phone sucks. But this is basically what I got. I'm here in the rain. You can see my umbrella. Yeah, okay. Um, yeah, it's pretty nice out. Obviously can't see the rain. I can't even see the rain, as a matter of fact. Even not looking through the camera. But it looks really nice. It's really nice. Floor's wet. Just right here in my house. Sure. Okay, let's go. Yeah, the one at the bottom is my house, right there. But yeah. Look at this. Yeah. I'm pretending. It's really cold. It's actually really, really cold. And I forgot to bring in a jacket. So, let me ask you one question and write it down in comments. If you are Dennis, tell me, what do I do in class? Okay? Thanks. So, but you still can't see me, right? Good. I'm not a girl, I'm a boy. A lot of people think I'm a girl, but okay, yeah. Okay, now everything looks really dark to me now. Okay, that's cool, that's cool. If you want to see from my umbrella's angle, I'll show you right now. You might see from my umbrella's angle now. Spinning you around, spinning you around. Okay, let's go. Ooh, it's pretty nice here. I can see you on top of my umbrella. On top of my umbrella. Oh no. Okay. I'm sorry if the light is really bad, but it's better in the daytime. In the daytime. In my first video, you can see my face, by the way. Yeah, so I think I might as well show you now. It's the final countdown. Okay, bye.